Okay, we are moving on to the next phase of our project now. We have the exterior of our home all prepped. So we're going to start doing our finishes on the exterior here. So if you remember, we got our wall sheathing all finished off and nailed. We have our Tyvek vapor barrier on the outside. Again, all seams are taped. So now we're ready to start, again, that exterior finish phase of the project. So the first thing that we're going to do is install our Soffit and Fascia. And the reason why we do our Soffit and Fascia first is because we're going to need that as a reference to be able to do our siding. As well as that has to be in place to be able to put some of our trim pieces up for our siding. So it's just a good idea to start the Soffit and Fascia first. So this is going to be our Soffit material. It's aluminum soffit, and basically what this is going to do is it's going to fit right up underneath our eave here and create a nice looking barrier and finished look to be able to finish that off. And what it is it's just a piece of steel bent and to have a nice design here. But then it's got all these little notches punched in here, and what that does is it's vented. This is a vented soffit, and that allows air to be able to get up into our soffit area. And then when we get to our insulation stage on the inside, we'll show you how to do air baffles. So basically, air will come up through our soffit in here, go up over the double top plate of our framing, go through our air baffles, and then we'll be able to escape out the top of our roof because we'll have ridge vent up there. And that whole system basically allows air to ventilate the attic. If we didn't have air ventilating the attic, then condensation would form in there, and then we'd have water inside of our home. It would rot out the roof sheathing, it could drip down, get on all the attic insulation, create water spots on your ceiling. And it's just not a good situation to have. So your whole goal with your attic space is to have the same exact temperature inside your attic as outside. So this vented soffit is a big part of being able to create that airflow and be able to create that same temperature level.